Instagram login 101, unable to log into Instagram on Android and iPhone. If you're unable to log into Instagram on both your Android and iPhone devices, it could be due to various reasons. Here are some troubleshooting steps you can try to resolve the issue. Troubleshooting steps. 1. Check internet connection, ensure that your device has a stable internet connection. Try connecting to a different Wi-Fi network or using mobile data to see if the issue persists. 2. Restart your device. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve temporary glitches or issues. Restart your Android or iPhone device and then try logging into Instagram again. 3. Update Instagram app. Make sure that you have the latest version of the Instagram app installed on your device. Go to the Google Play Store, for Android, or the App Store, for iPhone, and check for any available updates for the Instagram app. 4. Clear Instagram app cache and data. Android, go to Settings Apps Instagram Storage Clear Cache/Clear Data. Restart the Instagram app and try logging in again. iPhone, go to Settings General iPhone Storage Instagram Offload App. After offloading, reinstall the Instagram app from the App Store. 5. Check Instagram server status. Sometimes, Instagram may experience server issues or downtime, preventing users from logging in. Check the official Instagram Twitter account or visit websites like Down Detector to see if there are any reported issues with Instagram servers. 6. Check for app permissions. Android, go to Settings Apps Instagram Permissions, and make sure that all necessary permissions, such as storage, camera, and microphone, are enabled. iPhone, go to Settings Privacy Instagram, and ensure that all necessary permissions are enabled. 7. Try logging in through web browser. If you're unable to log into the Instagram app, try logging in through a web browser on your device, example Chrome for Android, Safari for iPhone. If you can log in successfully via the browser, it may indicate an issue with the Instagram app itself. 8. Reset password. If you're having trouble logging in due to a forgotten password, you can try resetting your Instagram password through the Forgot Password link on the login screen. Follow the prompts to reset your password and then try logging in again. 9. Contact Instagram support. If none of the above steps resolve the issue, you may need to contact Instagram support for further assistance. You can report the issue through the Instagram Help Center or reach out to Instagram's official support channels for help. By following these troubleshooting steps, you should be able to identify and resolve the issue preventing you from logging into Instagram on your Android and iPhone devices.